Take a ride in the 2026 Bronco. This vehicle is powered by a 3-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Ford Bronco. Interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.